So along with unboxing the cat litter, we are also going to be unboxing this I'm trying this Dr. Elsie's litter for the first time. I got it from Amazon, so let's pull it out.
Okay.
Oh, this is the cat litter. This is Fill Clean Dry Litter with 3 to 4 inches of the litter. Scoop waste twice daily. So twice daily. We need to clean it twice daily. Okay. So we're gonna open the top part of this and we're gonna fill it out.
Okay, I'll help fill it.
Okay. Get it all the way up.
Oh, do you mean careful?